Hey, this is Joe. It's a beautiful, almost summer day. It's the 19th of June in Colorado Springs. Only a few minutes from my house is this beautiful 1973 911S Targa. This car belongs to a friend and repeat client of mine, and thankfully he's asked me to help him sell it. It is in silver metallic. Of course, the Fuchs wheels. The car was restored in probably 2012 to 2014 by a gentleman named Andy Cohen. Andy was the gentleman who started Beverly Hills motoring accessories, motor car accessories, the car covers, the floor mats and stuff. That's a business that's still in process. It's still working today. You can still buy things from them today. And so he had quite a collection of cars and did a lot of business in fixing up nice cars and passing them on to their next enthusiastic owners. This one was special. I know he got it because not only is it an S, but it has leather to sample interior. Now, of course, it's been redone. This is not the original 1973 leather, but look at this. This is on the certificate of authenticity. We've got our blue interior along with the black. So the carpets are black, the dash is black, but the seats, the door panels, the trim panels, the panel on the glove box across the bottom, and the doors, look at that, are blue. And it was like that from the factory. Super, super cool. It has been fitted with a Porsche Classic stereo. Mileage showing is 28,171. We believe, obviously we know, that's not original mileage because we have a receipt from the early 2000s with 110,000 miles on it. So we believe this was done since the restoration. Randall Aase, another well-known shop in Southern California, totally rebuilt the engine in about 2001. We have receipts for that. We've gone back and we figured out the ownership history back to 1992. Earlier than 92, we have nothing, but back to 92, we have the ownership history, and we have good records from 98 to about 14. Not a whole lot, a little bit since the restoration, but of course, not a whole lot's been done. Look how nicely this was done. The brake calipers are redone. All the anodizing of the stuff on the underneath was redone. It's hard to tell, but the bottom is as clean as can be. I checked the garage floor. Not a drop on the garage floor from where it's been parked. This thing drives as nice or nicer than any long hood car, stock long hood car. Obviously, have been some cool race cars, but any stock long hood car that I've ever been in. It's really, really nice. Targa top is tight. It presents beautifully. It's a super, super nice car. I wouldn't call it concours. It's not going to win a national level concours, but man, your local concours, your local cars and coffee, this thing is spectacular. If you'd like to see anything else, if you'd like to go over any of the maintenance records, history, anything like that, feel free to give me a call. My number is 720-382-6167. And I thank you very much for watching.